Welcome to our guide on conquering those pesky dark circles. Follow these 10 tricks for brighter, refreshed under-eye skin. 1. Adequate sleep. Start with the basics. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly. Lack of sleep contributes to dark circles, so make rest a priority. 2. Hydration. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Water helps keep your skin supple and reduces the prominence of those under-eye shadows. 3. Cold compress. Treat yourself to a cold compress or cucumber slices. Applying these to your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes can constrict blood vessels and reduce puffiness. 4. Tea bag therapy. Revitalize tired eyes with cold, damp tea bags. The caffeine and antioxidants in green or chamomile tea can work wonders on dark circles. 5. Eye cream magic. Choose an eye cream with potent ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, or hyaluronic acid. Apply it nightly to nourish and rejuvenate the delicate under-eye skin. 6. Gentle massage. Include a gentle massage in your routine. Use your ring finger to apply slight pressure in a circular motion, promoting blood circulation. 7. Sun protection. Shield your eyes from harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses and applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Sun damage can exacerbate dark circles. 8. Balanced diet. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants. Nutrient-dense foods support overall skin health and can minimize dark circles. 9. Conceal with care. For an instant fix, use a quality concealer that matches your skin tone. Pat it gently onto the area, ensuring a natural and seamless blend. There you have it, 10 effective tricks to bid farewell to those dark circles. Consistency is key, so incorporate these into your routine for radiant, refreshed eyes.